Hey, Jeremy here with the Disc Jockey News at Mobile Beat 2018. I've got DJ Toad with me. DJ Toad has got a product that he came out with a couple of years ago that is fantastic. I own one of these. I would highly suggest this to any DJ that wants a different look that really nobody else has. I know I'm probably the only one in Minnesota that even has one of these, and that's what I love about it. He's got some really cool features with it, and I'm gonna pass the microphone over to him. I've got some questions to answers with him, but we're going to take a look at his Toadmatic 18?
T18 we call it, yeah.
T18. Come on over here.
And the idea is there's several things that we think about with this. We want it to be very fast setup. What you see here is an all-in-one road case that's on wheels. All of your controllers, turntables, mixers, microphones, everything lives in the case 24/7. You have it wired and ready to go. You have a 55-inch 4K screen on the front that you can use for all kinds of things: monograms, company logos, slideshows, mixed music videos, social media content if you want to capture that and put it to screen. Anything you can imagine you can throw on the screen. So it's a great upgrade, especially for your corporate events.
So one thing I really like about it, you've got a nice, kind of a protective screen to protect your 55-inch 4K TV up front, and very durable. That's one thing I love about these cases is they lock into place with the wheel locks, and you got a very durable setup. Tell us a little bit about more that's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, and we'll talk a little bit about build. It's built out of composite plastics, high-impact plastics like polycarbonate on the front. That's not acrylic plexiglass that you're going to get at Home Depot. That's a high-impact, super heavy-duty polycarb. We look for lightweight, so it's all aluminum, powder-coated extrusions here, and then again, various composite plastics to make everything lightweight and easy to modify. If you want to get back here, I can show you some other features. So you got a workspace here that you can load up with anything: turntables, controllers, mixers, sound mixers. We have, in our private Facebook group that we'll let people join, we share ideas on laptop mounts. You can see over here we've pre-dropped so you can add in wireless mic antennas. We show you how to do those modifications. Underneath you've got room for any rack mount gear, be it HDMI switchers, your wireless mics, plenty of room down there. I personally have bins in here that I have all the stuff I want to grab real quick: business cards, any tools, cables, real quick connect stuff. Of course, we have a bottle opener down here, which actually comes in handy a lot of times to pull the case around. I don't have it on here, but we also have a cup holder. And we have tons of storage space down here. We want the thing to look as clean behind as it is out front too. So we got these doors in here, can hide all the wires and everything underneath. We've got a skirt on the bottom to cover the wheels after you've come in. And I think that's a lot of the features here behind.
It really is, yeah. The one thing I really love about mine, and you mentioned this, it's ready to go. I get to my gigs, I roll this in. I've got my 2 XLRs going to my powered speakers. I've got my HDMI going to my satellite TVs. I've got my power cord into this, and my DMX. I've got my DMX splitter that I store underneath, and it's good to go. I mean, you got a couple of things to plug in. Everything stays plugged in up here on the top. My Pioneer mixer stays right in my Toad case with my laptop, my stand. And even my DMX controller sits right up here. So everything is just completely ready to go when I get in. My setup time, I'm not kidding, it used to be probably about 20 minutes. No BS there. Probably 20 minutes to get everything set up on my table, on my stand with my scrim, make sure all my cords are hidden, make sure everything looks, nice. Now it looks beautiful. I roll it in. My TV's on the front. I do a lot of my social media with that. I'm a video mixing DJ, so all my video mixing is going on the front, and my satellites. That's one thing too. So, Toad, anything else you want to end with?
Just some things. Our thought, we built these for ourselves, and then other guys were interested. Our thought was speed, durability, not having to have extra equipment. You're wrapping things, you know, I correct people when they call this a facade. It's not a facade. A facade's an extra piece of equipment that you have to lug around. And frankly, some of them are just ridiculous setup time and weight. They're difficult to transport. So we built a road case and a facade all in one. So you're not bringing any equipment that you're not using. You're not taking something out of a road case and then having to hide that road case. It's right here. It's pretty. It's a very pretty white road case, right? Because we have a cover that goes over it as well, a padded half-inch Tukey cover to protect it. Because guys kept asking me, where's the case for this? Well, it is a case. This can fall off a truck, and you tighten a few bolts, and it's back. You're good to go. So. I think we hit a lot of sweet spots with different things, and it's always, as you look at other products, there's lots of cool stuff out there, lots of very pretty stuff that I don't know how you transport it. I don't know how it's going to hold up in the long haul. You know, me and my guys, we're running 250 events a year, and these are moving in and out of trucks all the time. So, and Jeremy, you told me earlier that really only issue is you got to tighten it up every now and then, right? So, and we tell you how to do that, and we remind you twice a year to tighten all your nuts. So. But
more information online, where do they find it?
Yeah, go to toadproductions.com/Toadmatic. This is the Toadmatic T18, and you'll find just tons of information. You'll see all the people all over across the country that are using these, and we'll get you into our network. So.
All right, real good. Hey, thank you so much, Toad.
Thanks, Jeremy.
Yep. Thank you so much for watching, and check this out at home. We appreciate you watching. It's Jeremy with the Disc Jockey News at Mobile Beat 2018. We'll see you.